Hey, this is a Mathecateer here to show you how to add and subtract polynomials. When adding and subtracting polynomials, it's important to remember a couple of things. First, combine terms with the same exponent. Only add the constant in front of the variable. Be careful of your signs, and when you're done, list your answer from greatest to smallest exponent. I have 4 examples here to help illustrate. For example 1, we have 9r cubed plus 5r squared plus 11r minus 2r cubed plus 9r minus 8r squared. I like to label each specific exponent with lines. And then when I am done, I know which to combine with which. So we're going to start with cubes. 9r cubed minus 2r cubed. We subtract the constant only, and we have 7r cubed. Next we have 5r squared minus 8r squared. 5 minus 8 is negative 3r squared. And then we have 11r plus 9r. 11 plus 9 is 20, and the r carries. So our final answer here is 7r cubed minus 3r squared plus 20r. For example number 2, we have 12a to the 5th minus 6a minus 10a cubed minus 10a plus 2a to the 5th minus 14a to the 4th. Now drawing 5 lines underneath the a to the 5th would be a bit much, so you can use your own any sign you'd like. These are the signs I choose. I only go as far as 3 lines and for 4. So we're going to start with the 5th. We have 12a 5th plus 2a to the 5th. We add 12 plus 2, and we have 14a to the 5th. There is nothing to match up with the 14a to the 4th, so that stays the same. We have 10a cubed. Again, there is nothing else cubed, so that stays the same, minus 10a cubed. Plus, what do we have? Minus 6a minus 10a. So negative 16a. So the final answer here, 14a to the 5th minus 14a to the 4th minus 10a cubed minus 16a. For example number 3, we have 3x to the 5th plus 8x cubed minus 10x squared plus 12x to the 5th plus 4x to the 3rd plus 14x squared. We're going to start with the 5th, 3rd, squared, 5th, cubed, and squared. We'll start with 3x to the 5th plus 12x to the 5th, 15x to the 5th. We will now go 8x cubed plus 4x cubed is 12x cubed, and negative 10x squared plus 14x squared would be positive 4x squared. Example number 4, we have 14x to the 4th plus 11x squared minus 9x to the 5th plus 14 plus 5x to the 5th plus 11x squared. We'll start with the 5th and the 4th squared, and we don't put any line under the number that does not have any exponent after it. So we'll start with the 5th, negative 9x to the 5th plus 5x to the 5th, negative 4x to the 5th. 14x to the 4th by itself. We have positive 11x squared plus 11x squared plus 22x squared plus 14. And that is our final answer. So when adding and subtracting polynomials, it is important to combine terms with the same exponent. Only add the constant in front of the variable. Be careful of your signs and list your final answer from greatest to smallest exponent. I am the Mathecateer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.